Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's lesson is all about shopping for groceries and clothes, one of the most practical and fun English topics. You'll learn everyday vocabulary, useful expressions for talking about prices, sizes, discounts, and making choices while shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who want to improve their English too. Now, let's get started with Jake and Liam as they talk about their shopping habits.
Hey Liam, how was your weekend?
Hi Jake, it was great. I went grocery shopping and bought some new clothes too.
Nice. Did you go to the supermarket or a local market?
I went to the supermarket near my house. It has everything in one place.
That's convenient. What groceries did you buy?
I bought fruits, vegetables, bread, and some snacks.
Sounds healthy. Which fruits did you get?
I got apples, bananas, and a few oranges.
Do you usually buy fresh produce or frozen ones?
Mostly fresh. I prefer cooking with fresh ingredients.
Same here. Fresh vegetables taste much better.
Exactly, and they're healthier too.
Do you make a shopping list before going out?
Always. It helps me stay organized and avoid overspending.
That's smart. I often forget something if I don't write it down.
Same. Lists make shopping faster.
Do you shop once a week or more often?
Usually once a week, on Sunday mornings.
That's a good routine. I go on Saturdays when it's less crowded.
Good idea. I should try that too.
Do you compare prices before buying?
Yes, especially for things like cereal or milk.
Prices can vary a lot between brands.
True. I always look for discounts or promotions.
Do you use any grocery store apps for deals?
Yes, one app gives me coupons every week.
That's great. I love saving money while shopping.
Who doesn't? Every little bit helps.
Do you bring your own bags to the supermarket?
Always. It's eco-friendly and some stores charge for plastic bags now.
Same here. I keep reusable bags in my car.
That's practical and good for the planet.
Do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Honestly, yes. I find it relaxing and satisfying.
Really? I usually just try to finish quickly.
Haha, I guess I like picking fresh produce.
Do you cook often after grocery shopping?
Yes, I usually meal prep for the week ahead.
That's smart. It saves time during busy weekdays.
Exactly. Planning ahead is key.
What's your favorite grocery item to buy?
Probably coffee. I can't start a day without it.
Same. I always check if there's a new flavor.
Coffee lovers think alike.
Do you check expiry dates before buying?
Always, especially for dairy and meat products.
That's important. I once bought expired yogurt by mistake.
Oops. Always double check before paying.
Do you usually pay by card or cash?
Mostly by card. It's faster and easier.
Me too. Though I keep some cash just in case.
Smart move. Some small shops prefer cash.
Do you ever buy groceries online?
Sometimes, when I don't have time to go out.
Is it reliable?
Usually yes, but I still prefer choosing fresh items myself.
True. It's nice to pick what you like in person.
Exactly, especially fruits and vegetables.
Now tell me about your clothes shopping.
Sure, I went to the mall and bought a few shirts and jeans.
Nice. Were there any sales going on?
Yes, there was a big seasonal discount, up to 50% off.
That's awesome. I love getting clothes on sale.
Me too. Feels like a smart purchase.
Do you prefer shopping in stores or online for clothes?
I prefer stores because I can try things on.
Same here. Sizes vary so much between brands.
Exactly, fitting rooms are a must.
Do you usually go shopping alone or with someone?
Usually with a friend. It's more fun that way.
True. Friends give honest opinions about what suits you.
Exactly, and we can look for deals together.
What colors do you usually go for?
Mostly neutral, black, white, or navy.
Classic choices. I like brighter colors sometimes.
That's good. Adds personality to your style.
Do you try to follow fashion trends?
Not really, I just buy what feels comfortable and looks good.
Same. Comfort over trend any day.
Totally agree.
Do you have a favorite clothing brand?
Yes, I really like Uniqlo for casual wear.
Good choice. Their clothes are simple and comfortable.
Exactly, great quality for daily use.
Do you buy clothes every season?
I try not to, but sometimes I can't resist new arrivals.
Happens to everyone. Shopping can be addictive.
True, I try to stick to my budget though.
Do you set a budget before shopping?
Yes, I decide how much I can spend in advance.
That's smart. I often spend more than I plan to.
We all do sometimes, especially during sales.
How do you choose what to buy? Need or impulse?
Mostly need, but occasionally impulse too.
Same. Sometimes a nice jacket just calls your name.
Ha ha, exactly.
Do you ever shop online for clothes?
Occasionally, I buy t-shirts or sneakers online.
Do you trust the sizes when ordering online?
I always check the size chart carefully.
That helps. I've ordered wrong sizes before.
Me too, had to return them.
Returning items can be annoying.
Yes, but most online stores make it easy now.
Do you like shopping at outlets or malls more?
Outlets, the prices are much lower.
True. You can find branded stuff at great discounts.
Exactly, it's worth the trip.
How often do you shop for clothes?
Maybe every 2 or 3 months.
That's reasonable. I shop seasonally, 4 times a year.
That's organized.
Do you try clothes before buying or just estimate?
Always try them first, it saves regret later.
Good point. Fit and comfort are everything.
Totally.
Do you shop for clothes more in summer or winter?
Winter, I love jackets and sweaters.
Same. Winter fashion looks so stylish.
Definitely.
Do you ever buy clothes as gifts?
Yes, for birthdays or special occasions.
That's thoughtful. Choosing someone's size can be tricky though.
True, I usually ask for hints first.
Do you prefer shopping in the morning or evening?
Morning stores are less crowded then.
I agree. Shopping is more peaceful in the morning.
Exactly.
Do you ever bargain or ask for discounts?
In local markets, yes, not in big stores.
Same here. Bargaining is fun when it's friendly.
True, but you need to be polite.
Do you have a favorite grocery brand?
Yes, I like organic brands for milk and eggs.
That's healthy. I'm starting to buy organic too.
It's worth it for the quality.
Do you shop with a basket or a trolley?
Usually a trolley, especially for weekly groceries.
Same. It's easier to carry everything.
Exactly.
Do you ever forget something after shopping?
Always, even with a list, I sometimes miss an item.
Same. Then I realize it when I start cooking.
Happens all the time.
Do you prefer cashiers or self-checkout machines?
Self-checkout, it's faster.
True. Unless the machine doesn't scan properly.
Yeah, that can be frustrating.
Do you collect shopping points or rewards?
Yes, I use my store card and collect points every week.
That's cool. I redeem mine for discounts.
Me too, it's a great system.
Do you try new products often?
Sometimes, especially when they're on promotion.
That's how I found my favorite cereal.
Nice discovery.
Do you check labels for ingredients?
Yes, especially for sugar and preservatives.
That's healthy. I'm trying to do that too.
It helps make better choices.
Do you buy clothes for comfort or fashion?
Comfort first, fashion second.
Same here. I like clothes that feel good to wear.
That's the key to confidence.
Do you have a favorite outfit?
Yes, my dark jeans and white t-shirt combo.
Classic, I love that look too.
Simple and stylish.
Do you take long to choose clothes?
Not really, I know what suits me.
Lucky. I spend ages deciding.
Haha, we all have our shopping style.
Do you ever shop online late at night?
Yes, too often, midnight sales are tempting.
Oh yes. Add to cart is dangerous at night.
Totally agree.
Do you donate old clothes?
Yes, every few months I donate what I don't wear.
That's great. It helps others and clears space.
Exactly, win-win.
Do you wash new clothes before wearing them?
Always, it's cleaner and safer for the skin.
Good habit. I should start doing that too.
Definitely recommended.
What's your favorite clothing store?
Probably Zara or H&M, good mix of style and price.
Same. I go there for basics and trendy pieces.
They have something for everyone.
What's the most recent thing you bought?
A navy blue jacket, perfect for autumn.
Sounds nice. I just bought new sneakers.
Great, you can never have too many shoes.
True. Shopping can really lift your mood.
Yes, as long as you stay within budget.
Absolutely. Smart shopping equals happy wallet.
Well said, Jake.
So, groceries and clothes both done this weekend?
Yep, I feel organized and ready for the week.
Nice. I'm inspired to do my own shopping now.
Go for it. Happy shopping and smart spending.